Hello, how do you analyze stocks for swing trading if you are using long up trend swing trading strategy? We have our stock watch list and we have Thinkorswim platform open. You use 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart, and as a swing trader you can swing trade on daily chart, and the time frame can be maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart, or use both. So the next one we are going to analyze is TJX. So TJX, we have the purple trend line. Our up trend lines are support lines passing by the lows of the chart, and those are the lines that we like to buy at. So we like to wait for the price to fall back to those trend lines, and when they start making higher lows around that trend line, we can buy at the first or second green bar that follow a pullback. And the trend line at the valley, the bottom of the mountain. So we pick this one, even though this one is there as well, and it seems to be following this trend line. But right now, yesterday the price went down. It's still far from where we like to buy it though. We can go to maximum daily chart and have a further view from it, and we have two trend lines picked, and this is the one we like to wait on first, but right now is following this trend line. The next one is TMUS. So TMUS, we have those three trend lines that we like to wait at, but right now is far from it. It fell off of this trend line here and is going down. 1 year daily chart will give us a closer view. Yesterday the price went up, but yeah, it's going down, creating lower lows, but it's still far from where we like to buy. The next one is TRY. TRY, we have one trend line here that it crossed and went below it and start going up. If we go to maximum daily chart, we'll have a further view from it, and we don't know at this point if it's going to fall to this one or if it's going to turn around here. If we put the mouse here, it seems to be a support line passing by a resistance or a peak of a mountain. So it could be an area that it would like to rest and start going up from there, because again it is a resistance line, a support line, a support line, and a support line here. So it could be a strong support for it to go up from there. With that in mind though, we'll see how it's going to do, but we just prefer to wait on either one. And right now it seems to be, it's just that this line didn't touch much all the way there. So I don't know what this is doing, because this trend line didn't really touch. It touched this little bit, touched this, but then it went below it. So now having a good anchor for this line. I don't know how strong this line is, but it does come down to this as well. And at this point, let me take this line out of here. At this point I can trace what I'm seeing. Let me activate one of those. I don't know which one is that, but let's bring it down. Okay, so it seems to be, in fact, from there I will put it down. No, it's okay, so let me put it back down here, and let me pull this down. I don't know what I'm tracing here. It's not quite straight. It looks a little bit down to me here compared to here, but yeah, it's not really a resistant line here either, though. It's just a support. So I don't know what it's doing, but we can just keep looking. I just prefer to wait at this one because I'm not seeing a strong support on this. I'm going to color it. I'm just going to go back to the default color for it and keep this one, just because I'm not seeing a touch point, a good touch point on it. So, but this one has more touch point to it there. So, but yeah, let's just keep looking. And I just don't use an horizontal trend line to buy stocks. So, but we can still trace it if that is the design of the pattern. We can still trace it to better understand the pattern. But I just don't want to make a purchase decision based on that. It could be doing a wide mountain. Does that make sense? A wide mountain going horizontal a little bit before going down, or before going down, or before going up. So it's not a consolidation or anything really. I think it's just the pattern of this stock. So the next one is TRV. We purchased TRV this year, and we purchased it there. We have those two lines. If we go to 1 year daily chart, we purchase it, and then the price drop on us and start going up from here. Yesterday the price went down. The next one is TSCO. So TSCO, we like to buy at this line. Yesterday the price went up. That's quite a bit of a big price bar. On a maximum daily chart, we can see, and it seems to be maybe it seems to be following this line at the moment. Making a wider peak mountain, probably before falling back down. So for now it's still going up, doing its things. The next one is TYL. So TYL, we like to buy at this line, but right now it's going up. It seems to me that we could trace, that's just, it crossed it too much, but it seems to me that it's following a trend line. This will end somewhere here, but that will be more like it. So that one ended and is pulling back, but where it's going we don't know yet. So if we go to 1 year daily chart, we can see what is going on. But yeah, it pulled back and start going up from there, creating a short uptrend line there. But yeah, it pulled back to this line quite a bit, a few times, but Anyway, the next one is URY, and URY we purchased in 2024. We have not sold it yet. We bought it, it pulled back, but before that we bought it, sold it, bought it, sold it, bought it, sold it also, and we bought it again, and it pulled back and start going up from here. So this is one of the trend line we like to buy next. And maximum daily chart could tell us if we have another one peak below. Yes, we do. And it could be, I don't know if it's going to follow the way there, but it seems to be going up from here. Again, this area is a support line and a resistance line, so it could be using that area as a support to pull itself back up. If it decided to just pull back halfway and start going up from there, well, it's doable, because that's why it did here. It pulled back about halfway and then start going up from there. The next one is V. So V, we like to buy at this line, but right now is following this line, and it reached a new high yesterday. This line is a good one. I just feel like it could be one side of the mountain, but let's make it color, let's color it. Purple as a trend line for us. It touched base with a few times, but I don't know, it just, yeah. So it may not just be one side of the mountain, but we don't know, or it might just be, but right now it's following that one. And 1 year daily chart, and we can see it reached a new high yesterday. The next one is WAB, and we have WAB in our portfolio. We have not sold it yet. We bought it there, the price went up, pull back, and then start going up as well. So we can aim for the next high. It seems close. So if we go to maximum daily, we can see those two lines that we trace, and yeah, how it's going up. So the next one is, and right now is positive in our account because of how it went up the first few days. WM, or how it went up today. So WM, we have those two lines to buy at. We purchase it, we have some in our portfolio, 1 year daily chart, or you can zoom to see it, but we purchased it there. That short line ended, it pulled back on us and start going up from here. So, and let's see, this support line is a support line here and a support line here. The next one is WMT. So WMT, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now is Walmart is following this trend line, and we bought it so many times along that trend line in 2024, and it's still following it, but we just prefer to wait at this trend line in case it decided to come back to it. So the next one is going to be WSO. And WSO, we purchased it at this trend line, and then it pulled back to this trend line and start going up from there. So we have a higher low, finding a few one, and this area could be a place to buy. But at the moment, since we have in our portfolio, we are not going to buy more. So this concludes how to analyze the chart to find stocks to buy if you are using long up-to-long swing trading strategy. It's good to create your watch list of stocks that you can, just analyze on a daily basis. And as a new swing trader, if you are a new swing trader, I would suggest you put in your routine to analyze your chart on a daily basis. Create a watch list of good stocks that you can invest in long term, and just analyze them on a daily basis using a daily chart, either maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart, at least for the upward swing trading strategy. And for that strategy, it's good to have upward stocks, and here we have large cap upward stocks, and we analyze it daily or so. We have a green price bar, just mean the price in the evening was higher than the price in the morning, and the red price bar just mean the evening price was lower than the morning price. And you swing trade on a daily chart. You use up to the line as a support line, and you buy at those support lines, which are the valleys passing by the bottom of the mountain. So and once you draw your trend line, and the one we like to buy, we color them in purple, and you will buy it when the price pull back to that trend line and start creating higher lows around that trend line. You can buy at the first or second green bar that follow that pullback, that follow a pullback. And once you have in your portfolio, you can start planning an exit point, which could be the next new high, or 10% of how much you pay for the stock. And just start small. Even with 300 is great. And last year in 2024, for the short up to long swing trading strategy, we used $300 as the minimum or so. Or alternatively, you can use 5% of your account value to determine how much you will allocate per trade. Or you can use $300 to start, or you can even buy one share. With this strategy, you just aim for 10% return, 10% of what you purchase. Last year though, with the short up to line, we purchased it and then we sold about 3 days later, aiming for small profit so that we can purchase and repeat the process to get accustomed to the strategy. But for this year, with the long up to long swing trading strategy, even one share or less than 300 will work. Just don't target a big profit dollar amount. You can just sell it at the next high, or when you have a 10% increase in the price, you can just sell it and lock in that 10% raise, which is still higher than the raise you'll get at work. Unless you get a promotion, you won't get 10% raise a year, but 10% return on your investment is great. So thank you so much for watching. Just start small and grow your account $1 at a time. And just know that don't underestimate that $1 profit or that $1 increase of your account, because if you fall short on how much to pay for the stocks, $1 short, you are not going to be able to buy. If you place an order to sell the stocks and you place the order $1 below the price and it does not reach that level, you are not going to be able to buy the stock. If you go to the store to buy something, you are $1 short. Unless you pick up a smaller version of the product that you like to buy, you won't be able to buy the product. So let's not underestimate that $1 capital or that $1 profits. So if you can put aside $1, don't underestimate it. It will accumulate. You will be able to invest it, and you will be able to trade stocks with it. Thank you. And again, when you start, based on your risk tolerance, just start small and keep customizing the strategy you are using to meet your risk tolerance. So just start small and lock in those profits. And it's not about getting all the money off the table, it's just locking in some profit. It's not about being the best at trading, it's not about being better than somebody else trading, it's just making money, locking some profits. Thank you. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. We thank you very much for watching our videos, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Growth of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and ninasoup.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. For more of our swing trading videos, will you please check the playlist in the description. For the videos related to this chart analysis of January 22nd, 2025, will you please check the description for the links to those videos. We make sure videos so that we do not analyze all the chart in one video, so that we have them broken down in a smaller section, easy to consume and or to watch, and to know how to pick stocks for your watch list. Will you please check our playlist related to watch list videos. Thank you.